In this video, I'm going to show you how to see DEXScreener banner on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins right now. It has a lot of different premium features completely for free, such as an amazing wallet tracker and Twitter tracker. They have polls and P&L trackers. You can also use the reward system, which is top notch and just gives you Solana back just for trading, which is insane. You can trade perpetuals as well, use their turbo mode for faster fills and transactions. You also can set your own presets for buy and sell settings, set your slippage, priority, and bribe fees as you wish. You can also use a lot of their filters to filter out meme coins, etc. So again, link down below. Make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. So to actually see the DEXScreener banner, this has been a new update. What you want to do is you want to find a coin and then you want to look for where it says paid over here next to it. So as you can see, if you're on the discover trending page, you can see it says paid over here, and then when you hover over it, you can see this kind of camera icon. You can see this exact same thing on the polls as well. So wherever it says paid, you want to hover over that, and then you'll be able to see this image. So sometimes it's a bit small, I don't know why, but of course you can click on it like this and it's gonna basically show you inside the Google search what this could be about. So you're gonna see this is gonna be the kind of bigger image, and then here you can see a lot of different things that this could be about, and you can search for that as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.